What's going on, guys? So you guys might be wondering what's going on right now. You guys are in my engine. Yeah. See this? That's a problem. We're gonna have to fix that. All right, here's how I fixed it, you guys. Honestly, I'm gonna have to say, Clarence, you know, I feel like personally, I think I outdone myself, Clarence. Given the circumstances I was in, I think I outdone myself. So we went to Home Depot, grabbed us a bit of weather stripping right here. Now, this is still not the final product. I think we're actually gonna get a different weather stripping, and I want a thinner mesh here. We got weather stripping, vent mesh here, and yeah, I think we're gonna have to cut some of this more so you can't see it. But again, with a thinner mesh, it might be a lot better, though visually. Let me close the hood and let me show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, guys, check that out. I don't know, man. I feel like I outdid myself this time. If you guys remember, if you guys watched the other episodes or other videos, it was a weird lumpy hole, had the exhaust coming out of it, and you know, I decided to make a cut on it. It looks pretty nice, pretty okay, and you know, I don't have to get a new hood for the meantime, at least. But yeah, to the next problem. So the good news is we finally got a downpipe in here that actually routes to the back. The bad news, it has an exhaust leak at the flange because we ended up trying to use the old downpipe that the guy that made the kit sent out to me. And even the flanges that go from his downpipe to the stock downpipe didn't fit, okay? That's one. Number two, and the more, like, I guess, annoying one, is the fact that, I don't know, oh, you guys can't see it, but let me just explain. The downpipe is literally resting on the subframe rail, or the frame rail right now. So, you know, the ones that go perpendicular with the car. Yeah, so it's literally sitting on that. So at low miles per hour, it just buzzes. It literally feels like I have, what do you call it, solid motor mounts. Literally feels like I have solid motor mounts right now. On the highway, actually, it's not that bad. I'm kind of disappointed, but we're going to more than likely get a whole new exhaust system all the way back. I think I will still be using the Tomei that's out here. We're either gonna get a new one or clean that one up because it's so oily from the twins when they were smoking and oiling and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, it's been quite a adventure, let me say the least. But car is driving. Oh, another problem we have with this car. There's a small coolant leak coming from the cold side. So with that being said, I'm actually happy that it's from the cold side. If it was from the hot side, it means that all the modifications Clarence and I tried to do with the water pipe and all the other stuff didn't work. But it seems to look like it did work, and I'm excited, but again, I'm disappointed that there is a leak, but excited that it's not the hot side. But I think I found where it is, and I think it's one of the hoses in here. It has a small, very small nick in it, and it's just dripping a little bit. We have a really good sponsor coming on. Actually sent out a their product. I'm super excited to be running that stuff on here, because I guess this is a good time, because by the time I upload this video, Clarence's car will be actually up and running again. And so many people have asked me, especially the local ones, especially our friends, have asked me what happened to this guy's car. Maybe we can address it today. Let's see. Look at that dude. Clarence, why are you so mad? What you doing here? Is that your car over there? But anyways, yeah, so Clarence's kit was made by someone else, but his kit, you done? His kit was made by someone else, and it was absolutely atrocious as well. The worst part about it was on the water pipe. They didn't do a bead around the water pipe. They didn't do a bead, basically. So the coupler it was just a straight pipe, and the coupler only can use a hose clamp to clamp onto the water pipe. And basically, eventually, when we were running a lot of boost on that car, it eventually just popped off, causing it to overheat and then pop a head gasket, unfortunately. But he has already gotten the motor out. That's why we haven't seen it in a little bit, but he's gotten the motor out. He's gotten what else? Yeah, he's gotten the motor out, as you can see. He actually took the head, sent it to get it machined, so it's machined nice and flat. No upgrades to it. It's still a stock motor. It's just revamped because of the head gasket. Got a new head gasket in there. Everything else is the same. Literally, it's the exact same car, except for the fact that we had to do the machine work to get the head gasket problem fixed. But yeah, that's what he's doing right now. As you guys probably are watching this, it's probably on the road, and yeah, you guys can check our Instagram and stuff like that. It's probably gonna be up there. But he's basically gonna retire soon because he's an old man. Look at him. Look at that dude. Bald ass head. Oh my god. Today's sponsor is Keeps. Probably gonna be done with that by the time you guys are watching this. This car will be up and running as well, so we'll finally have both the cars running. That was the biggest thing for the longest time, was like, yes, finally we're gonna have both single turbos cars. And his car and his dumb ass decided to break down right after this car got single turboed. So yeah, there's behind the scenes stuff on mods and stuff like that, and sponsors, and just a lot of events that's gonna happen soon. So you guys gotta hit that subscribe button right now. I swear to you guys, it's gonna be the... We're going to drag strips too. Yeah, of course we are. April 1st is not a drag day, unfortunately, but we're gonna go out there and we're gonna go film some stance cars. All right, well anyway, see you guys next time. Again, hit that subscribe button, you guys. You guys don't want to miss any of these uploads coming up.